is your friend, coach, and mentor, Mwali. I just want to share this opportunity with you and give you this grand launch announcement. The 30th of December! Let's get ready to rumble, guys. This will be big. This will be large. This will be huge. This will be the global launch of Mwali Motivates. Join the inner circle of champions. Join us as we are out for 2014 to win with Empower Network. The number below the screen here, there will be a global conference call, whereby we will be having that intimate connection, touching base with millionaire mentors who will be giving us the information and setting us for this 90-day blitz, whereby we will be branding ourselves, see what Empower Network offers, where you blog daily, tell others, get paid. It's as simple as that. Blog daily, tell others, get paid. On the 30th of December 2013, this global launch will take place. I'm just looking for 25 persons, only 25. I'm willing just to work with 25, that exclusive 25. Go to spiritfreedebtfree.com. That's spiritfreedebtfree.com. Be a part of this mass movement. Empower Network provides a simple equation. Blog daily, tell others, get paid. This is your friend and coach and mentor, Mwali, signing out, saying, it's either you go hard or you go home.
For motivation and inspirational tips, be sure to subscribe to Mwali Motivates on YouTube and follow us on Twitter at Mwali Motivates. Also, stay tuned for our global launch on December 30th. www.mwalimotivates.com. That's www.mwalimotivates.com. Our global launch on December 30th.